Hello again, it's Ann here from Annmakes. Thank you so very much for stopping by and welcome if you are new here and you don't want to miss any of my videos, including the DIY how-to crafty videos that I have. Please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below the description or at the Annmakes in the corner of the screen there. Click on that bell also so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Please check out all the content that I have regarding how-tos and craft things, DIYs, mixed media, card making, scrapbooking, sewing, and more over at www.annmakes.ca. Today I am bringing you a Dollarama haul. It's a small one. It was actually, I was actually going to include this in the last Dollarama haul that I filmed, but I forgot to. So, and this was done when, this is stuff I went in to buy and I really was short on time, but I did find some cute things. And I was going in there purposely to find garbage bags and kitty litter. So I was on a mission and I didn't have a lot of time, but I did grab a few other things. So a couple things I grabbed. These I've bought before. They are the parchment paper, the Christmas themed one. I just think these are really cute and I don't see these very often. I was at a different Dollarama than my usual haunting place. So yeah, I picked these up because I have a hard time finding them. I also picked up 2 rolls of the white fur roll. I did purchase one of these a few hauls ago and I thought it was really good value, so I got 2 more. They had the wooden beads at this store, which I hadn't seen at my store and I've seen other people haul them. They had different colors. They had more bright primary colors, but I have a lot of wooden beads that are like those primary colors, you know, red, yellow, blue, green. But I really don't have much in pink. And yes, there's a lot of natural in here also, but yeah, just to add to my craft stash and my collection of wooden beads. And there's quite a lot in here for $1.50. My goodness. When I was into macrame when I was like 10, 11 years old. Gosh, I wish my mom had been able to find packages for $1.50 for me, because I know she had to pay more than that. I also got these are really cute. The glass or acrylic. I think they're glass bottles of sequins. I didn't get the glitter ones because I have a lot of glitter, but I did get the sequins. I really like the jars. They're just so cute. $1.50. I have to check if these are colors I already have in my stash. If not, bonus. But yeah, I'll either incorporate this into my current stash or they're just gonna look absolutely gorgeous on my shelf here. So 4 jars, $1.50. I picked up some of this holographic tape. It's not really washi and it's not really Scotch tape either, but it's kind of plasticky tape, but it's metallic. It's great for Christmas. It's great at this time of year, but it's also great just to add to my collection of tapes. Goodness knows, now that I have my 320 roll holder for washi tape, I have room for these. So $1.50 for these 4 rolls. And you get a decent, there's 10 meters on each of these. So that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Like that. Oh, I finally saw a glass measuring cup. I've been trying to find a glass 1-cup measuring cup without paying a ridiculous price. And I think these were, oh, what were these? I think this was $2 at the most. So I got a glass measuring cup. I wanted a glass one because the plastic ones we have, if you put them in the microwaves, they tend to crackle and they just, they look icky after a while. And so I really wanted one in glass. So, you know, sometimes you just measure, you just put a little bit of chocolate chips or a little bit of butter and you want to melt it in the microwave. So yeah, that's why I wanted the glass. So I got that. I was happy I saw the wooden shapes I heard my friends talking about. So I got them, the wooden embellishments. There's 24 pieces in here. Look at these frogs. Wow, 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 wow. $1.50 for 24 of these wooden die-cut froggies. Not worth making. Not worth it. I mean, first of all, to cut something like this on my Cricut, I have to have the right wood. And it would take my Cricut maker a lot of time to cut 24 of these. So, yeah. I'm glad I found them at Dollarama. So I got a couple bags of the frogs. I got one bag of the butterflies because I do have a lot of butterflies in my collection. But these are super sweet. They're very delicate looking. I love them. And there was one bag of owls. I grabbed it. So 24 of the cute owls. There was one bag of the birds. So I grabbed it. So I'm really, really happy that I found those. I also got this set of wooden clips. I got, because I saw this one with the deer and the antlers on the star, and I need this for a gift that I'm giving someone. It'll be perfect. So I got that, and this one is little hearts with stars, but yeah, I like that one. And those are $2. They had these really pretty rhinestone embellishments. There really wasn't much left. I think there were like 2 butterflies and 1 flower or something like that, and that's what I got. So I got this flower one. They're really pretty. They're nice and thick. Yeah, they have like a little sticky back thing. And yeah, they're rhinestone embellishments. I think they're on plastic. I'm not sure. But they're very pretty. 6 pieces, $1.25. Great price. And same with the little butterflies. Oh, here's something I thought is great. I picked it up and I thought this is a great stocking stuffer. Great to give the planner addict in your life. Look at these. You get little rolls of tape. So cute. The little tape dispensers. And you get tape and dispenser set. You get 12 pieces. There's only a meter of tape on each little roll, but it's $1.25, and you get this variety pack of little metallic-y cute tapes. So for the card maker, the planner, this is excellent. They have the stencils at this Dollarama. I hadn't seen them anywhere. I didn't see them at my other Dollarama. So I got them. They have the stencils with, I don't even know if I need more stencils, but anyway, I got them anyway. Stencils with the animals. So each set you get 6 pieces, 6 stencil pieces for $2. So this is the animals. And then this one is like, I want to say aquatic mammals. So that, here we have birds. Well, there's also a tree branch and a birdhouse and clouds. So kind of bird nature theme here. And then this one is different types of hearts. So I'm pleased to have found that. This is new. The package of, these are magnets. You have 200 of these little square sticky back magnets on a sheet. And this was $1.25. Pretty good deal. So they're the little magnets. I don't think they have a lot of strength, but I thought these are good in our paper crafting, you know, to make closures on envelopes and such. Or if you make like a little paper purse or later like a little gift card holder. So yeah, so you get 200 here for $1.25. Pretty cool. And I picked up a few packages of the burlap sheet just because I saw them and I thought these were a good deal. So these are 12 inches. They're 12-inch square. You get 3 pieces of this pre-cut burlap, and it is $1.50. Very good crafting thing, very good to use in fairy garden making. There's so many things you can do with this. So yes, and that is it for my small Dollarama haul. I hope you got some ideas in there, and I would really appreciate it if I got a thumbs up. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please please like it. Please comment, please share. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, stay crafty. Bye-bye.